Yo, WhatsApp developer Sudhakar here. Have you ever seen this message called merge conflict in a particular file? So don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you how exactly this merge conflict takes place and how to resolve it. Even if you are a beginner, you can watch this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. A merge conflict happens when Git cannot automatically decide how to combine changes from different branches. This usually happens when two people edit the same line of code. Let's say we have a main branch and a features branch. Both have made changes in the same line of code in the features.js file. Here's how a merge conflict happens. Now let's try to merge main branch with features branch. So for that, type git merge main. So finally, we have got a merge conflict. So once you have got a merge conflict, you have to just click on the file which is giving a conflict. So let's click on it. So after that, if you are using VS Code, then you can see this button, Resolve in Merge Editor. Then click on the Resolve in Merge Editor. This makes it completely easy for us to resolve the merge conflict. So once you are here, uh, in the left side, you can see the incoming changes, means the changes which are made in the main branch. And in the right side, you can see the changes which are made in the features branch. So if you want to accept all incoming changes, then you have to simply click on this arrow. By clicking on this arrow, you can accept all the changes which are coming from the main branch. If you don't want to accept the incoming changes, then you have to click on this arrow. If you click on this arrow, the current changes will remain same. And if you want to accept only particular changes, then you have to click on this accept incoming or accept current. Let's accept incoming. Okay. So let's navigate to the next conflict. We currently still have two conflicts remaining. So let's navigate it. Yeah. In the next conflict, if you want to combine both messages, then you can click on this accept combination. So let's click on this accept combination. By clicking on this, both the changes got merged, like you can see here. Now let's travel to the next conflict. This is the incoming change and this is the current change. So let's accept current change. So now we can see zero conflicts remaining. So we have successfully uh, resolved the merge conflict. So let's complete the merge. After completing the merge, you have to click on continue and you have to commit the changes. So we have successfully resolved the merge conflict without any issues. I hope you like this video. Before I end this video, I want to give you some useful tips. So if you want to avoid merge conflicts, you can't avoid all conflicts, but here are some tips. Number one, pull the latest code before starting new work. Number two, communicate with your team. Number three, break down big files into smaller files. I hope you like this video. With this, I end this video. Hit the like button and make sure you subscribe our channel. If you are a fresher developer, you can watch this video. Uh, in this video, I have shown 5 basic GitHub tips that every fresher developer must know. So with this, I end this video. Till the next video, goodbye.